Okay, today we're gonna unbox Mavic Mini Fly Mode Combo. There you go, that's the case with the drone inside and the controller. And I think this is the connector, and this is the battery. Manuals. I believe this is the propeller guard. There you go, that's the controller. And then some extra propeller. I think we got 3 propeller. And this is the charging hub. There you go, that's the charging hub where you can charge 3 batteries in here. So now we're going to take a look at the battery. So when you purchase the Fly Mode Combo, you got 3 batteries and the charging hub. This is really cool, so you can fly 1 hour 30 minutes, because each battery you can fly about 30 minutes. So with 3 batteries you can fly almost 1 hour and 30 minutes. So you can also use this battery as a power bank to charge your phone and maybe some other things like your So we have extra cables for Android, for iPhone, and then USB cables, charging hub, extra propeller, There you go, this is the full set of DJI Mavic Mini Fly Mode Combo. Controller, extra joystick, screwdriver for you to fix your propeller, extra propeller, connector for iPhone, Android, and that is the charger with 3 batteries. And this is the drone Mavic Mini on the carrying case. And the propeller guard. So this is Fly Mode Combo.